Hi second graders, I'm going to spend a little bit of time today reviewing with you less than, greater than, and equal, and we'll be using our dice like we did in the last video I did. First of all, we want to remember that sometimes numbers are equal. Look at my dice here. This dice says 4 and this dice says 4, and we know that because they're the same, 4 is equal to 4. This dice has a 2 on it, and this dice has a 6 on it. We know that 2 is less than 6, so we write it like that. Less than. 2 is less than 6. Here's my third example. This time I have 5 and 1, and I know that 5 is greater than 1 because it's more. Now let's try some numbers with 2 digits in it. I'm going to roll the dice. Our first number is going to be made up of those 2, and our second number is going to be made up of those 2. So my first number is 64. My second number is 26. I know that 64 is greater than 26. Now let's have you try it. I'll roll 2 dice. You write that number. I'll roll 2 more dice. You write the number. Let's check to see how you did. The first number is 46. Is that what you got? The second number is 34. Is that what you got? Now you have to decide, is it equal, less than, or greater than? Put your symbol between the 2 numbers. Did you write greater than? Because 46 is greater than 34. 4 tens is more than 3 tens. Let's do one more. Write the 2 numbers. Did you get 15 for your first number? And did you get 11 for your second number? Now decide, is it equal, less than, or greater than? This one's tricky because this time you have to go to the ones because the 10 is the same. The 10 is the same, they both have a 1, so we have to look in the ones place. And 5 is greater than 1, so 15 is greater than 11. All right, now I'm going to show you with 3 digits. My first number is going to be 325. My second number is going to be 116. I have to decide now, are they equal, less than, or greater than? I know that 300s is more than 100, so 325 is greater than 116. Now you try it. Here's your first number. Write it. Here's your second number. Write it. The first number is 352. And the second number is 653. Decide if it's equal, less than, or greater than. $352 is less than 653. Let's try one more. Write your 3-digit numbers. Did you write 665 for your first number? And 451 for your second number? Now decide, is it equal, less than, or greater than? $665 is greater than 451 because you have 600s in 665 and you only have 400s in 451. I hope you enjoyed our review lesson on using less than, greater than, and equal. You can continue practicing this at home with your own dice, or from a deck of cards, pull some numbers, or if you don't have a deck of cards, you could make your own number cards. Hope to see you soon.